Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to teach some tips to keep your teeth healthy.
If you are looking for ways to boost your physical fitness
and overall well-being, you have come to right place. Keeping our teeth healthy is crucial for overall oral health and well-being. Here are some essential tips to maintain healthy teeth. Brushing twice a day. Brush your teeth thoroughly for at least 2 minutes. Once in the morning and once before bedtime. Use fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled toothbrush. Pay attention to all tooth surfaces in your tongue. Floss daily. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between the teeth and below the gum line, where a toothbrush can't reach. Make flossing a part of your daily oral hygiene routine. Use mouthwash. Rinse your mouth with an antiseptic mouthwash after brushing and flossing. This helps reduce bacteria and keeps your breath fresh.
Limit sugary and acidic foods.
Sugary and acidic foods can contribute to tooth decay. Try to minimize the consumption of sugary snacks, candies, and carbonated beverages. Choose teeth-friendly foods. Opt for a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and lean proteins. These foods provide essential nutrients for strong teeth. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Smoking and tobacco use can lead to various oral health issues, including gum disease and tooth loss.
Limit alcohol consumption,
as excessive alcohol can harm your teeth and gums. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles and bacteria, promoting a healthier mouth. Visit the dentist regularly. Schedule regular dental checkups and cleanings every 6 months. Dentists can detect early signs of dental issues and provide professional cleaning to maintain oral health. Wear a mouthguard for sports. If you or your children participate in sports or physical activities that could cause impact to the mouth, wearing a mouthguard can protect your teeth from injury. Avoid using teeth as tools. Don't use your teeth to open bottles or tear packages. Using your teeth for non-food purposes can lead to chipping or cracking. Consider dental sealants. Dental sealants are protective coatings applied to the chewing surfaces of molars to prevent cavities. Talk to your dentist about whether sealants are appropriate for you or your child. Teach children good oral hygiene habits. Encourage proper brushing, flossing, and healthy eating habits from a young age. Make oral hygiene fun and a regular part of their daily routine. Remember, good oral health is not only essential for a beautiful smile but also for overall health. By following these tips and maintaining a consistent oral care routine, you can keep your teeth healthy and promote a lifetime of strong dental health. Don't forget to consult your dentist regularly for personalized advice and care. Thank you for watching. And please hit the subscribe button. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.